of things gonna be happening. Stuff is gonna be starting getting crazy. So let's go straight into this video. As we have a day one marginal risk of 1 out of 5 for Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I think Hattiesburg. And also for Texas, Oklahoma, does include Oklahoma City. It is for damaging wind risk at 2%, no tornado threat at all. We also have a day 2 slight risk up into Missouri, Oklahoma, so, and a little bit of Kansas and Arkansas. And this has a tornado threat, 2%, but it's mainly caused by a damaging wind risk. And we have a day 6, 15% for severe weather up into Texas, the panhandle of Texas, up into Kansas and Oklahoma. So stuff is gonna be active. So and also there is a major snowstorm and ice storm coming to the United States. So let's not waste any more time, and let's go straight to the forecast models. Alright guys, so let's look at the reflectivity type, and this is what's part of the snowstorm that I will be talking about here soon in this video. Right now, let's talk about our day 2 slight risk. So we have our system forming, what you guys can see right over here is where the ice storm and snow is supposed to happen. But as you see, it tries to turn to a line, but then falls apart. We can check the significant tornado parameter. Don't worry guys, we'll also be talking about the ice storm and snow. So here's what's happening now, as we do have a little bit of a tornado threat, not at all big, but SPA also will have a little bit. You guys can see there's our threat for low. Wait, come on. There is a brief threat for Arkansas. Nothing serious. So let's try this more. You guys can see it tries its best to produce a tornado threat, but at all what it's doing is not really producing a threat. So this is mainly going to be damaging wind risk. So let's look at the ice storm that I'm talking about. So I guess let's look at the total freezing rain, the ice. As we gotta wait for this to load. So guys, as you can see, Wisconsin's supposed to get like almost about 1 inch. Same with Michigan. Not really reaching. Because this is really going to be, this can cause power outages. So power up your generators. And prepare for this snowstorm. That will happen. So guys, let's talk about this. Wisconsin, you guys are supposed to get around 1 foot of snow. Michigan, same with you. Okay, this is gonna be enough to cause power outages, guys. Be aware about this, as this can be a major blizzard. I will be live covering this, as blizzard warnings are going to be coming out. Let me check some for y'all. As we already do have blizzard warnings for South Dakota, a ton of them. So guys, I'll be live around 3, maybe 4, covering this. So guys, stay tuned. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. And guys, also, thank you guys for 29 subscribers. We are growing a lot. So our goal is 100 end of the year. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.